Tonight we're doing something that I bet you none of you guys have ever done before. So we have prepared a meal with Panya here at his homestay, but the funny thing is that the meal we prepared is a Mexican meal. When we first got here, Panya was telling us how he was planning to make this Mexican meal. So we said, well, hey, we know how to cook a little Mexican. We can make some tacos and such. So we decided to get together and all chip in and buy some ingredients. And then, you know, me and Amy just spent the last couple hours just cooking up this big meal. So here we are at the top of his hotel in the Sky Bar, and we're getting ready to scarf down on some Mexican. So we have some corn on the cob with butter and salt. We have some flour tortillas, and we actually have some spinach tortillas. We have some steak that I cooked with onions and taco seasoning and garlic. Got lettuce, shredded cheddar cheese, tomatoes, onions, guacamole, some cilantro, and for those, what's that?
Chili.
Chili and chili. That's right. This is Wisut. Wisut is Panya's son. How you doing, Wisut?
Hello.
And Amy's going to teach us how to roll these up as soon as Panya comes back.
Can I please have a piece of corn?
Yeah, just go ahead, brother. Chomp down. Wisut, do you want a piece of corn? You not that hungry? No?
Maybe later.
You're like, okay.
It's together. It's together.
Okay, are you ready for a feast?
Yeah.
Okay, Amy's going to teach us how to make the taco.
Or it's really a burrito. But
Burrito, taco. Well, you know, believe it or not, getting all the ingredients necessary for this meal is not that easy here.
so I pretty much laid everything out in order. Now you don't want to put too much of anything on it, because then you won't be able to roll it up.
Cheese.
Cheese. Some tomatoes. Onions.
Okay.
I like guac, so I'm going to put some guacamole on mine. A little cilantro or coriander, depending on where you're from. And then chilies, which I will not do. Okay.
Okay, guys, this is how you roll it up.
So you want to get everything kind of mixed together and in kind of a roll.
Oh, now
And you do one side,
Hey, Panya.
the bottom, and then folding it over. Voila.
Good.
And then you eat.
How is it?
Mm-hmm.
Like fabulous good, or like, not bad? Not bad for burritos, not bad for tacos in Cambodia good.
Between.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
No, so it's pretty good.
Yep.
Chili. I don't know how to say. How do we say this one?
Cilantro. It's labeled as coriander, but coriander's the seed. Cilantro's the leaf. And this is Panya's wife. Hello. And your name? Jenny. Yeah, that's right. Not Jenny, but Janny. Janine. Okay. Janine. J-A. She didn't want the chilies either, huh? Delicious, good. Is it spicy? Is it good? Yeah? We forgot the sour cream. How do you like it, man?
I like it very much.
Is that your second one?
Yep.
That's cool. A little bit.
Maybe just the sauce part of it by itself.
Really good.
Yeah.
I think it's excellent. You like it?
Yeah.
You good? Yeah?
It brings out the butter and the salt, brings out the flavor of the corn more.
Yeah.
Well, that's all there is to this video. I just wanted to make a quick video just kind of recapping this night. This was our first Mexican meal on this trip, and I just wanted to remember it. I wanted the guys to remember it, and you know, me and Amy spent probably 3 or 4 hours preparing all the different ingredients, and which I mentioned earlier was pretty hard to find. But we put it together, and in editing this video, I can tell you, man, what I wouldn't give to have that meal over again. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick little video of us just having a Mexican meal in Cambodia.